I'm Kris. I work for Fusion Elec. I'm managing director. We're currently installing around 300 to 400 EV charge points a month. We've got a contract with quite a big energy provider. For us, when we first started, we were sort of in our baby steps. We came across Jumptech. We've worked with Jumptech through another contractor. We're a little bit unsure as to whether we would be suited to Jumptech. It was a bit of a big step for us. So we bit the bullet, jumped into it. And as it currently stands, we couldn't live without Jumptech. To try and facilitate 300 to 400 EV installs a month would just be absolutely impossible without the platform. Got a few tweaks that we need to make in our business, and hopefully Jumptech will facilitate them with us, which will allow us just to grow and grow. And hopefully we're looking to try and ramp up our numbers to get to even better than what we're doing now. Our aim's to sort of be hopefully fitting 200 a week in the core areas that we work in the south and in the north. So yeah, hopefully things go well and we get there.